In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a logo to your Wix website. First things first, you'll want to head over to the free Logo Maker page on the Wix website. The great thing about using this tool is that it doesn't require any design experience, making it perfect for beginners. Once there, you'll see a big button that says Get My Logo. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a new page where you're offered the chance to start the creative process. Click on Create a Logo to begin shaping your brand's visual identity. If prompted, choose to Create without chat. This means you'll be taking the reins rather than having an AI assistant guide you through the process. Now you will be asked to provide some basic information about your business. Type in the type of business you are working with, whether it's a bakery, a tech startup, or anything else. Once you've done that, hit Next to proceed. At this point, you'll need to choose a vibe for your logo. This is essentially the mood or aesthetic style that you want your logo to convey. The options might range from modern and sleek to playful and colorful. Select what feels right for your brand and click Next again. Next up, type in the text you want featured on your logo. This could be your company name, for example. Once that's entered, click on Next to continue the design process. You might also be asked to add a tagline or slogan to further enhance your logo's uniqueness. After inputting your tagline, you can click on Done. Now comes the exciting part, choosing a logo design. Wix will present you with several options based on your previous inputs. Take your time to scroll through the designs and select one that best represents your brand. When you find one you like, click on Customize Your Logo. You'll then have another chance to make further modifications. Once satisfied, click Next until you get the option to express that you just need a logo. Click on this option and then hit the Download button. You should see an option to View Files after this. Click on that. In the final stretch, click on Your Logo to proceed to the next step where you can actually download the logo file to your computer. Now that it's saved, we'll transition into adding your new logo to your Wix website. Head back to the Wix website editor. Locate and click on Media on the side panel. From there, you'll need to upload your new logo file. Click on Upload Media, then Upload from Computer, and choose your logo file from where you saved it. Once it's uploaded, you'll find an option to Add to Page, and clicking this will seamlessly integrate your logo into your website. Your Wix site now has a professional look, complete with a personalized logo that reflects your brand's unique identity. Congratulations on enhancing your web presence.